Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something we all love, saving money. But let's face it, traditional savings accounts haven't exactly been keeping up with inflation lately. Those measly interest rates barely cover the cost of a latte, let alone help your money grow. So, what if I told you there might be a high-interest savings account option hiding right in your phone? Intrigued? That's where Wealthsimple Cash comes in. Now, before you click away thinking this is some sponsored fluff piece, hear me out. Wealthsimple Cash has been gaining a lot of traction, and the features they offer are pretty darn interesting, especially for the budget-conscious millennial or anyone who wants to stretch their dollar further. But the big question remains, can Wealthsimple Cash truly replace a traditional savings account? Let's dive deep and find out. Breaking down Wealthsimple Cash, convenience meets earning potential. First things first, Wealthsimple Cash isn't your typical bank. It's a financial technology company, or fintech for short. They offer a mobile app that allows you to do a whole lot, including sending and receiving money, paying bills, and even investing. But the feature we're really interested in today is their cash account. Think of it as a hybrid between a checking account and a high-interest savings account. You can use it for everyday spending with a linked debit card, but the money you keep in the account also earns interest. And this is where things get exciting. As of today's recording, Wealthsimple Cash boasts a minimum interest rate of 4%. That's significantly higher than what most traditional savings accounts offer. Now, before you start rushing to download the app, there are a few things to consider. Unlike traditional bank accounts, Wealthsimple Cash isn't a chartered bank. This means your funds aren't protected by the same government-backed insurance programs. However, Wealthsimple does hold your cash with reputable partner banks, and they have measures in place to mitigate risk. Is Wealthsimple Cash the perfect savings solution? Weighing the pros and cons. So, can Wealthsimple Cash completely replace your traditional savings account? The answer, like most things in finance, is it depends. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons to help you decide. Pros. High interest rate. As mentioned, the current 4% interest rate is a huge advantage compared to traditional savings accounts. Convenience. The mobile app makes managing your money a breeze. You can easily transfer funds, pay bills, and keep track of your spending, all in one place. No monthly fees. Unlike many traditional bank accounts, Wealthsimple Cash doesn't charge monthly maintenance fees. Every penny you deposit goes towards your savings goals. Cons. Limited insurance. While Wealthsimple takes steps to protect your cash, it doesn't have the same government-backed insurance as a traditional savings account. Not a registered account, the interest you earn in a Wealthsimple Cash account isn't registered. This means you'll have to pay taxes on it come tax season. Limited features. Compared to a full-fledged bank account, Wealthsimple Cash has limitations. You can't deposit checks, for example, and there might be limitations on cash withdrawals. Making Wealthsimple Cash work for you, a strategic approach. Here's the thing, Wealthsimple Cash might not be the perfect solution for everyone. But it can be a powerful tool as part of a larger savings strategy. Here are some ways to leverage Wealthsimple Cash effectively. Emergency Fund Starter Kit. Build a small emergency fund in your cash account to cover unexpected expenses. The high interest rate helps your money grow faster, while the easy access ensures you can get to it when you need it. Short-term savings goals. Saving for a vacation or a down payment on something. The high interest rate on Wealthsimple Cash can help you reach your goals quicker. Parking spot for extra cash. Got some spare cash sitting around? Instead of letting it languish in a low-interest savings account, consider transferring it to your Wealthsimple Cash account to earn a higher return. Wealthsimple Cash, not a replacement, but a valuable ally. Ultimately, Wealthsimple Cash shouldn't be seen as a direct replacement for your traditional savings account. It excels at offering high interest rates and convenient features for everyday use and short-term savings goals. However, the lack of government-backed insurance and tax implications on interest earned means it might not be suitable for your entire